Oh, now it's 10:30. Getting a little windier. Sam, what are you doing?
I got scared because the leaves are falling.
Gosh.
Well, these go right by me. I was right there and I got scared.
Well, it's only a leaf. Got a little more branch.
Can I take a picture?
No, I'm taking a video. Got a little more windier now.
At 10:30.
30.
Now, slowing down the wind.
I know I said I was going to be back here at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. But Sam, what are you doing? Better get over here or something falls on you. That frisbee is just going to blow away. See? It's already floating down the sidewalk. Bye, Sam. See you in Wizard of Oz. Better get over here. And don't put that frisbee out there, because it's just going to float.
I was going to put it over on the
No, it's just going to float away and blow away. There with you.
Well, see, there's a couple. I want to be outside trying to catch me here.
No.
It doesn't matter. I'm going back in the house. So I don't think it's going away.
Oh, there goes Cupid. Cupid! Go back over there and sit down, Cupid. Take Cupid over there and tell him.
Cupid! Come. Cupid! Come.
Sit down with her. Ah, don't put her all the way down there. Turn around, Sam. I want to interview you. Samantha, what do you think about this weather? Turn around and look at me.
I'm happy and I'm sad.
Well, you got to turn around.
Because some states,
Look at me when you talk.
people might get killed. But
Yeah.
I'm happy because for the plants, they get water and stuff. And I'm happy because the water might take out the swamp.
Desmo Swamp?
Yes.
The fire? Yeah. Put the
Now
fire...
interview Cupid.
What?
Now
No, I
interview
can't
Cupid.
interview Cupid. Cupid won't say nothing. That was Samantha doing her little interview. She'll probably do one later when it gets bad. Alright. Well. I guess I'll be out later when it starts getting... Tell them we'll come out later when it starts getting really windy again.
We'll come